1 Adam 56.
1 Adam 56.
56, I got that signal 5R. We're northbound 480 onto I-80 west. Union Henry George 943. They have 1 up.
Able 1, Able 1.
Approaching 42nd Street. Advise southwest, please. At 56, we do advise NSP, see if we can get somebody on the interstate.
That's clear. 0127.
One command 1.
1 command 1.
1 command 1, 10-8 MDC, also covering southwest.
127.
One Adam 56. Can you give me a full description on that vehicle?
Nebraska Union Henry George 943. Silver Dodge Neon 4-door. Appears 2 occupants.
County Adam 3171, having a white GMC Denali 1 occupant. On flight.
128.
th Street right now.
Go ahead.
What?
Do you still have our suspect? Absolutely. Does he have access to a phone?
Right.
The victim's receiving a phone call. I'll check again. I don't believe so.
Adam 56. 0129.
Yes.
54. Be advised, you can try and catch up with it. Clear. Any luck with Able 1?
Not at this time.
Clear, could you call the hangar and come up?
Clear, we will notify them.
Right, I'm bearing 56. Clear, I'm going to stand by and see what Able 1 says.
Can we get Southwest cars with stop 6 in place, too, before we try to light them up?
Clear, we just passed over 72nd.
Can you patch Southwest with us? Dispatch.
.56. Speeds are still normal, 64 right now.
Command 3, notify north.
That's clear. 0130.
.56, we're passing 84th.
Lam 87.
Code 8 to 31.
0131. Vehicle taken in a carjacking 84 I-80 westbound, on I-80 westbound 84th. It's a silver Dodge Neon, information only, 131.
Patrol 15, what channel are they on?
Swarm Patrol 15 southeast.
Clear.
131.
Code 8 to Adam 31.
132.
Now they're just coming up. 1 Adam 58, can I have you repeat your traffic?
Right, 5-8, we'll be following 5-6.
That's clear. 0132.
Everyone, you already have 72. Can you send someone else through?
Okay. I'll be in a rough association.
Clear 132. 1 Adam 81, can you assist on the pursuit that, or the follow that Southeast has?
Clear, where's he at now?
Just west of 84th, I-80. 1 Adam 71, 72, or 76, advise your status.
What's the book?
They've also got southwest enroute. 1 Command 1.
Are they on channel 3?
The southeast and southwest channels are patched at this time.
Clear, I'll be switching over.
133. And it's now at 680 northbound at Center Street.
Bye. Light them up until you show up. That's a good idea.
Southbound, or correction, northbound on 680. For the caller, 1 Adam 18.
Clear.
134.
City passing center. 134. Were you able to tell how many occupants were in there? He passed me on 480 as I was merging on from Martha. I believe there was 2 occupants. I really can't tell right now. And 56 Able 1, we're just coming up to Pacific Street, 680 North. Speeds are still 50.
That's clear.
One, where you guys at? I've got sticks just north of Dodge.
He's going to be center lane. We're just coming underneath Pacific Street right now. He's the only one. There's one car in front that's signaling far right lane. He'll be center lane. Actually, number 3 lane.
Northbound at Pacific Street, normal speeds. They are not in pursuit. Have not stopped it yet. 135.
You need to see some lights so I know which car it is.
Yeah, he's going to change from 4 to 3. He might take Dodge. I don't know. He's going to continue north on 680. He's not on Dodge. He'll be in number 3 lane, far right lane.
Where I'm sitting waiting. Do you want to line them up at Dodge so I know it's you?
I'm waiting for Able 1. If you want to hit him with sticks, he's just coming under one of the underpasses. He'll be under Dodge Street in 10 seconds.
Where I'm just seeing a lot of headlights. I don't know which one it is.
He's the only one in front. We got a lot of cruisers back here, but he's coming up on you right now.
TD3, I'm pulling up on your dash as well. I think I'm in front of you guys.
Table 1, 20 seconds out.
I don't know if you hit him or not.
It didn't look like you hit him. I'm going to attempt the traffic stop here. Table 1, 20 out.
Clear.
'56, I've initiated traffic stop. He's going to let you guys pull over, but he's still continuing in pursuit. Speeds are 80. Continuing northbound on 80. Somebody want to take over traffic?
Line 56 in pursuit, northbound 680 from Dodge. Signal 5R, silver Dodge Neon, 0137.
59, I can go ahead and take over the pursuit. He's going to go eastbound on Maple. Traffic is light. He just blew a red light on 680. Speeds are about 40, 45. Continuing eastbound on Maple. Speeds are about 80.
Command 3 to 1, where you at? Go ahead, we got you. We're coming up on you. I don't have surveillance yet.
Meanwhile, get your emergency equipment on, please.
One Baker 13 to those cars in pursuit. We're at 72nd and Maple with stop 6. Just advise if you're going to continue this way, please.
59, he's passing 90 at Maple. Speeds are 90.
Unless Sable 1's overhead, terminate. Baker 13, we're at 7-2 in Maple. A1, can you just keep us updated? We got stop 6 deployed, just waiting. About 8-1 in Maple, eastbound, high rate of speed.
56, A1, do you have the pursuit?
We have the car coming up right now. We have the stop 6 deployed.
56, he switched to eastbound traffic lane. Correction. Yeah, correct. That is correct. Eastbound traffic lane.
10-2. Command 3 to Able 1, do you have it?
Northbound. Driver's running northbound around the... He just fell. He's on the northwest corner of Sauls. Still running. He's running back eastbound. You got it. There he is, northbound. White t-shirt, blue jeans. We're on him now.
.13 taser deployed.
What's the location?
Somebody check the other car for the passenger.
7-2 Maple, just west side.
Clear. Squad, we started.
56 radio, code 2.
56 understood with a code 272 in Maple. Status on the other driver.
56, only one bail, front back.
Units with the vehicle occupant, advise.
Yeah, cruiser, slow down.
Dispatch to officers with the vehicle.
North of Maple, on 72nd on the west side.
Cleared.
56.
56.
56, can we get a squad just north of 7-2 in Maple for a taser deployment?
Squad's already en route. The other party's in custody.
72.
Line 72.
Come in to the location as well. We also have taser deployment here. Can we get a squad to this location as well? And can we also get another unit, please? We have a very combative party.
Understood. And you can assist with the Adam 72.
Where's he at?
1 Adam 72, he's good.
Please.
Clear, squad's en route. 1 Adam 73, 74, can you both start 60 center?
Clear from corrections. Needing us to expedite.
Expedite right now.
72, do you want to help?
23 and 4. Clear on expedite. No.
No help, just have those cars expedite.
Clear, 142.
80, I'm clear and route.
143.
Clear, Zero Maple.
Right, copy. All units involved in the pursuit switch to Southeast Channel 3. Any unit in the pursuit switch your radio to Southeast Channel 3. Southwest is no longer patched.
'81, you can take me off the pursuit. I'll be at Bucky's in a few seconds.
143.
Can you direct us to him, please? Taken care of.
Understood, yes. He's at 60 in center. They did.
Clear. If he's coming from 60 in center, I'm about on call.
The officer was asking for assistance is at 60 in center. It's 2 separate calls, and Southwest has both.
Is that a different location than the pursuit ended?
Yes, so they're on an unrelated call at 60th and Center.
Thank you.
144.
I'm clear.
Thank you, 144.
I'm arriving at 72 in Maple.
Zero 144.
51, show me en route to 60th Center to assist Southwest. I'm at 60th right now.
$145.
$151 also switched to Channel 4 for that.
If any of those cruisers that's coming to those location has flash calls,
Sorry, 1 Adam 82, readvise your traffic.
Bucky.
You guys.
There was, but I left there. I'm heading to the center.
That's clear. If you want to switch over to Southwest for that, thank you. 146.
Thinking more possible disturbance in the background. What's that, 33?
Just be advised, there's at least 2 state NSP officers here.
One out of 35. Be advised, fire and rescue is now en route for the assault. Clear. 147.
Come on, Command 30.
Come on, Command 30.
Command 30, show me 10-8 code 8 to 31.
48.
Everyone stand by. 5-1, we're sending the squad in. Can you repeat the last?
You're killing me right here. We're 88 with them. Just have them come in. We need to get them strapped down to a bed.
That's clear, 148.
D3909 Drexel Street, and a domestic just occurred, 2833 South 32 Avenue. Any available units respond with unit number 0149.
64. I'm at that. 3909 Drexel. I'm searching area.
291.
291 will be en route to corrections with a male code 2.
149.
Both cars, be advised, we've got an additional caller. It's 5 black male teenagers, one with a red hoodie, one with a white hoodie. The others are all in dark clothing. That seems southbound, all on foot, prowling cars in the area. We've also got the additional caller, Regina, 3839 Monroe Street. She noticed 6 suspicious people trying to get in vehicles. Hey, Regina. 1 Adam, 55.
65, clear.
1 Adam, 64.
64. I'm in area.
0150.
94.
For the Bucky's as well, you can show 1010.
150.
Right.
64. Correction, 1 Adam, 65.
65, do you still have us out at Guacamaya?
Yes, that's clear.
$35 151.
1 Baker 43.
1 Baker 43.
10-8 code 8 to the cars on scene.
1.
3388.
That's there, 151.
Random 54.
1 Adam 54.
10-8 code 8, dealer cars.
Zero 152.
One Adam.
Adam.
Wait. 10-8. Wait.
52.
Just occurred 2833 South 32 Avenue. 2833 South 32 Avenue. And apparently just west of that address, an anonymous caller is advising there's an argument between a white male and a white female. They both sound intoxicated. They're on porch of the duplex at the corner of 32nd Avenue and Oak Street. 1 Adam 65.
656.
1 Adam 54.
Clear.
0153.
1 Adam 47.
10-7.
153.
Come on, 49.
1 Adam 49.
Show me 10-8 code 7 in the world.
Sorry, code 7 what?
10-8 code 7.
154.
Hmm. 54.
One Adam 64.
1 Adam 64.
Show both cars be 10-8 code 5. When I'm clearing that last in my district. One Adam 64.
1 Adam 64.
show both cars be 10-8 code 5. When I'm clearing that last in my district.
One Baker 43.
1 Baker 43.
10-7 traffic stop, 278, missing plates on a red Mazda Protege, 5 occupants.
Sir, you need another car?
And 1 Adam 54, I'll show you back in service and stand by for an additional call. 1 Adam 54.
Clear.
1 Adam 55.
Quick, sir.
Senate Code HEPP, show me 10-7 Northwest assignment.
157.
One Adam 55.
One Baker 13.
157.
Baker 13 radio. We'll be en route to corrections with RML code 2, not related to the Southeast call for service.
That's clear. Was that your stop at 72 and Maple?
Yes, ma'am.
That's clear. 158.
One Adam 48. I'm en route.
158.
Truck stop 180 Dodge on the eastbound on-ramp on Union Charles Young 142. It's a black Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme, 1 occupant.
You're clear enough, wait.
Clear. 0158.
Command 3 to Command 50, if you could call me as well when you're done with that. Command 3 to Southeast, I'm going to head to 60th and Grover.
On 142 comes back to blue and green 1995 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme. Looks like it expires 6/30/17. Signal 1.
Clear.
159.
One Adam 65 arriving.
0159. Southeast holding a domestic 845 Park Avenue. 845 Park Avenue. Any available unit to assist 1 Adam 54. Respond with ticket number 0159.
Command 3, correction, show me 60th and center, en route.
0200.